catch a monster today?
Right on. What kind of gear you rocking? What are you using today? Seriously though.
I'm probably gonna use my 9-foot Sage X.
Nice.
Outfitted with a Hardy reel.
Nice. What type of line?
I actually don't even know what type of line. I think it's just a weight forward floating line.
5?
Yeah.
What am I fishing with today? I don't even know.
I'm gonna outfit you with my Sage Response. It's an 8.5-foot 5 weight. You will be using my Sage reel with a, again, floating line 5 weight.
How about you, Spacey?
I'll be using a Stroll custom rod, 11-foot check nymphing rod with, right now I've got just a Cabela's 4-weight reel, nothing special there, with a 4-pound weight forward floating line. So, yeah, it'll be
Risky.
Risky?
You're gonna catch a big fish with that.
Challenge accepted.
4 pounds is a pretty big trout.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
So,
Josh only goes big or go home. Goes
go
home.
big or go home.
Largest fish gets, if you catch the largest fish for the rest of the day, whoever is the current record holder and then to the end of the day, they must be referred to as Fishmaster for a week.
Oh, okay. Right on.
You can no longer use any other name to refer to them other than Fishmaster.
All right.
You know how mad he's going to be if he doesn't catch the biggest fish.
I am going to be like crazy upset.
If
Right
he's
on.
calling me the fish master the whole time, he's going to be fish master.
Right on. Okay. Sounds like a deal.
So whoever has the biggest fish.
Change your phone contact to Fishmaster for that person.
And then prove it. Right now I'm throwing a check nymph with a, it looked like a, I don't know, generic bead-headed olive color nymph as a dropper. So, tied off the bend of the hook. But yeah, I had one hit earlier, and at that point I was using check nymph and then a little black stone dropper. I don't know what it hit, but still trying.
I'm gonna fucking power.
Wait. Is he talking to you?
Yeah.
You didn't earn that title.